everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this Dollhouse furniture set. Inside there are a total of 26 pieces of wooden furniture. There is enough Dollhouse furniture to fully furnish a kitchen, living room, bathroom and bedroom. The kitchen furniture includes an oven with a stove top, a fridge, a sink, a cabinet and a table with 4 chairs. The bathroom furniture includes a bathtub, a toilet and a sink. The living room furniture includes 3 sofas, a coffee table, a lamp, a TV and a cabinet. The bedroom furniture includes a large bed with a duvet, 2 bedside tables, a wardrobe and a dressing table. The furniture set also includes a bench and a smaller TV. The wooden pieces are very smooth, sturdy and nicely painted. The furniture is an ideal size for Littlest Pet Shop, Sylvanian families and other small dolls. What I really like about the furniture is the classic design and the fun details like the wardrobe and the cabinet doors that can be opened and closed. Overall, the furniture is very cute and colourful. The variety of pieces makes it a great starter set to any 1/12 scale dollhouse. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!